Hey everyone, it is Donna. Okay, today we're doing a wantable, and this is a Thanksgiving style box. I got early access to it because they consider me a VIP member. So I got to select a few things, and you're always allowed to select a few things. And then I just told them to go for it, whatever they wanted to send me. So early access, let's see what they sent me, okay? So over here, big bundle, and tear it open. We have the packing bag, nice big bag. Set that over there, and let's see what we've got here. And of course it says styled for Donna on the front. Looks like I've got some sweaters and a vest that I requested. I'm not seeing the packing sheet. Let me see if they've got it in here. Hang on. Let me go look in the box. Found it. It was inside of the packing bag. So if you ever can't find it, open up your bag. It may be in there. It was folded inside of the folded bag. Okay, so if I were to buy everything here, it's just a mere $780.76. So that's not going to happen. But I think if I order this week, they double my credits. If you buy 3 items, you get a $25 credit. So this week, if I were to buy 3 items, I would get a $50 credit. And if you buy 6 items, then whatever that credit is, it doubles and it doubles and it doubles. I think up to $120. Can be coming in. I'm not sure. I don't have the paper with me, but I do think that I would get a double credit this week. So let's take a look and see what they sent me. I want to take a look first at this packable puffer jacket by Kenneth Cole. It's $135. It's a small. So I'm going to put everything aside here because I have a Kenneth Cole coat that I bought a few years ago that I absolutely love. But it's more of a shaggy jacket, and it is really, I get so many compliments on that black coat. But this is more of a puffer coat, and I have several puffer coats, but I like the cut on this. It's got a deep hood. We're going to do a try on here in a few minutes. But this will be interesting. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Like I said, I've probably got 4 or 5 puffer coats. So, but hang on, let me lay this down. Let's go for the rest of it. I asked for some black jeans. The first one, and the ones I have on actually, I got these from Liverpool in my first box for the Cozy Tober. And I love them. They're a pull-on black jean, straight leg, so I can wear them with booties. This is by Flying Monkey. It says 27-inch waistband, or waist. Let's see here. Flying Monkey, where are you? They are $89, black, mid-rise, slim boot cut. Jeans in black. And it's just a basic boot cut jean. There are pockets in the back and the little slits in the front, and we'll try that out. That might be fun. Then we've got some other black jeans because I wanted 2 pairs. These are the Whitney High Rise ankle skinny jeans in black, the size 4 by C's, and these are $89. And I don't like ankle jeans. I like them longer. So I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about these. Are they stretchy? Yes, they are stretchy. Pockets in the back. And there you go. So Okay, hang on. Let's see what else we got in this box. They sent me a cardigan. It's a short cardigan by 78 and Sunny. And this is a River Rock jacquard cardigan in cream. And it is $99. And I have a lot of cardigans, so I don't know about this either. It's cute. Might be cute with a pair of black jeans. What do you think? Here's the back of it. I like that cut in the back. But here's the sleeves. And it buttons down the front. So we'll try it and see what that looks like. Then I made a request for this vest. I like the color of it. When I saw it, this is by a company called Horizon. It's called the Stargazer Quilted Vest in Elderberry. And it's $79, but I think right now it's on sale for 50 something. They don't have it marked right on here, but I do know it was like $54 it's on sale for. Here's the back. And I like that cranberry color, whatever you call it. So, okay, there's another one. And then I requested this little top by a company called Apricot. Something fell. And it has daisies on it. And they are sewn into the, let's see here, let me get some light. Where are you? The daisy embroidered ribbed sweater in brown is $89. And that's really cute, I think. I love that dark brown. I just think it's so pretty. That cocoa, whatever you call it, espresso. And then I made a request for this one. They let you pick a few things. This is a driftwood sweater in taupe, marled by Seas, and it is $79. And I like the mock turtleneck on it. I like that it's loose. Sleeves are just a little bit looser. Okay. And what else do we have? This company is, come here, oh, Thread and Supply, a small, $43. I did not request this. The Stacy top in light umber, $43. And this is just like a stretchy knit top to layer underneath things. I'll put it with that vest when I try it on, just show you what it looks like. So, okay, and we have one more item that I did not request, and it's this purse. And I don't see it on the list here. Huh. We have, let's look at the tag. It's a vegan purse by Jen & Company. It's called the Izzy Crossbody Purse and Taupe, $54. And let's take a look what we've got inside. A lot of pockets. Really, it's actually pretty roomy. There is a credit card slot here. If you can see this, let me hold it up. There's a slot for credit cards. Look at that. If you're traveling, what do you think about all this room? Look how that moves out. It's kind of cute. Do I have a lot of purses? Yes, I don't know if I would need this, but I will look at it again. So hang on a second, give me a second just to change, and I hope I can do this, and then I will show you what these items look like. Hang on. Snap them back. Okay, I've got the 78 and Sunny marled knit top and the Flying Monkey black jeans that are a slight bell. I like them both. This sweater is so soft. I can't even explain to you how soft it is. So this may be a keeper, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna back up so you can see the jeans. They're a nice length. I'm 5'5". So this is how they're fitting me. Just your plain little sweater, but I like it because it's pretty and it's comfortable. So hang on, let's get to the next item. Okay, back again. I put on the vest. I just threw it on top of the black jeans and the sweater just to see how it would feel with a sweater under it, because I'd probably wear it with a sweater or a sweatshirt. I like this. I like this little vest. It's got 2 slash pockets on the side. I like to have a place to put my hands. And then 2 front smaller pockets if you need to carry a telephone or something like that. But yeah, I like this vest too, and I like this sweater, and I do like the jeans. So hang on, there's more. The purse. I did want to show you this as well. I'm not going to take the strap apart, but it does have a shoulder strap as well as a clutch strap if you want to carry it as a clutch. Okay, so I'm not sure about this little purse. It's adorable if you need a little brown purse. Pretty color. I think it would go with about any color. Okay, so that's another item. Hang on. Okay, I'm back with a daisy sweater, and you can see how they're sewn in. Isn't that cute? Okay. Really pretty sweater. It's got kind of a balloon sleeve. Slight. It's a little loose at the bottom for me, what I'm used to, what I like. I mean, I don't know if I could turn it under, but I just don't like the looseness down here. I wish it was a little more gathered. So this is probably gonna be a no, although it is a very pretty sweater and very comfortable. Hang on, there's more. Okay, back again. Not really loving this shirt. If you are tall, this is the shirt for you, because this thing is long. It's long. You could pull it down. I'm 5'5", and this is feeling long on me, but it's very good quality. It's a thread and supply top. Pretty, but too long for me, and I don't need it. So we've got more. Hang on. Okay, I have the cardigan on. And I mean, this is cute. No complaints. I could get use out of it. But do I need another cardigan? Absolutely not. I have too many sweaters, or too many cardigans. I like a pullover sweater. I really like a mock turtleneck sweater that's thicker. But this would be pretty for work, but nah, I don't need it. So we have the coat. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I left the ankle jeans on. I wanted to show you those. And the more I looked at them, I kind of like them. They give me that, that retro 1950s vibe of the girls when they wore their heels with these. The coat, I'll scoot up a little so you can see it. It's a little long on the sleeves. I don't like that. And I know I could tuck it under and fix it, but I don't know. Like I said, I have so many coats and things that I don't need another puffer coat. It has 2 side zips on the inside. Is there a pocket? Yes, there's a pocket right here if you want to put your cell phone in it. 2 pockets. So you can put keys and your cell phone, and it has a hood, I do believe. Let me lift this off and show it to you. And the hood, as you can see, is detachable. It's warm, but do I need it? No, I don't need it. So I think I'm looking at the 2 pair of jeans, the black jeans. This sweater is gonna be mine, and the vest. So that's where I'm at. And I may not even get all of them. I'm just kicking around the ideas. Tell me what you like the best. So I'm gonna sign off for now, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye. I forgot, I wanted to tell you to please subscribe, and also there is a description box below my video. If you click on that, you can get $25 off your first box by using my code. So click on that link to save some money. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.